my bougie food people. This video is just a real brief one of me installing a wig onto my client. So right now she is wearing a 20-inch wig with a 5x5 18-inch HD closure. One of my popular cells. So this one is actually really simple and it's easy to wear. That's why a lot of people go for it. It's not too long, it's not too short, it's just perfect for everyday use. And this is one from my Bougie Strands Boutique collection. So if anyone's interested, just shoot me a DM and I'll be more than happy to provide you with any information or any inquiries that you may have on any of the services that I provide. So let's skip forward and watch how I slay her unit. Yes, I got my Bougie Strands head wrap and bonnets for sale, ladies. Get into it. 1 for $15, 2 for $25. Get the deal, girl. You gotta DM me. You gotta DM me for inquiries. You gotta let me know. I got y'all. Like, you see how beautiful it is. Like, so anyway, I usually use the wrap just to set down the baby hairs along with the wrap strips. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Bougie Strands. I appreciate you guys. Love y'all. Until next time. Mwah.